So here I am getting ready for work, and I figure, why not share my brow routine, my updated brow routine with you? I use 3 brow products, and I know it's like that's a little extra, but I'm telling you, if you love, first of all, you've got to love a big, bold, kind of, not bold, a big, fluffy brow. I would not call them bold because I've seen bold. I think these are bold. They just have a lot of volume, fluffy, and we love them. So first off, I go in with the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Has a spoolie on one side, pencil on the other. Mine is in the shade 4. So I start by obviously moving up the brow hairs. You can see I have brows. They're just very light, and I have quite a few sparse spaces. So up they go. Now to the pencil side. I also love the Precisely My Brow Detailer. I'm just out of it right now. I actually prefer that one because it's more hair-like strokes. It's very thin. People have said, you know, it breaks on me. It keeps breaking, keeps breaking. There is that plastic piece on the end of the pencil that you should really utilize when you're rolling your pencil up. Make sure that the actual pencil is just a hair above the plastic piece, and that's what's going to keep it from breaking. I do love the Precisely My Brow Pencil as well. It's just a little bit thick, so I have to pay a little more attention if I'm using this one as opposed to the other one. Okay, so obviously there is a very distinct difference between this and this brow, but when you look close enough, I can spot it here. This brow looks flat. It looks like I've drawn it on. So that's when I go in with the Merit Brow Pomade. This is the volumizing pomade in the shade dark brown. This is a tinted wax, and it's a really good product. And what I do is I just take it for some lift to give my hair more dimension so it looks more like it's my brow. Also, it will help blend in any lines that the pencil may have caused and make everything look more smooth, seamless, and just more like your brow. Last but not least, I go in with the Urban Decay Slick Brow Day. This is the product that you need if you have been trying brow glues, whether you do this whole process or not. If you just throw in some glue, this doesn't leave that, it doesn't feel crunchy. It doesn't leave that white, like residue, like dandruff looking stuff. It just holds your brows in place all the live long day. I'm telling you, it is so worth it. It's clear. It is a little comb. It's like a mini comb. And all I do is I'll pull it out, obviously, and I'll take the product that's on it and kind of press it onto the brows just to place the product. And then I'll go to the comb side and I'll just kind of pick it up and disperse it. I use the tip and place each hair where I want it, so that it stays all day. And I am telling you, my brows will look like this by the end of the day. And I gotta go to work. That's a serious claim, right? Right. These 3 products, the holy grail for brows, right here in my hand. Girl. Okay, sister, makeup is all done. Hope you learned a thing or two about the brows and what difference it makes, because it truly does make it. The brows shape the face, girl. Point blank, period. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.